Come test drive the 2018 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags front passenger seat cushion. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.